Okay, so you want to disable your laptop keyboard and use the external keyboard instead. Okay, here are the quick steps. First of all, install your USB keyboard, the external one. Okay, after you do that, then you go on run. Okay, you type on run. Okay, then you have to type gp edit.msc. Okay, go there. Right, let's just maximize this one. So under this local group policy editor, you go to administrative templates. Okay, then you go to system. Okay, so here what you want to do here is you want to go on device installation. So you click here, then you click on installation restrictions. Okay, from there you go to this last option, setting rather, that's prevent installation of devices and not described by other policy. So you double click on this one. All right, then here you click on enable, then click apply, then okay. All right, let's just keep this open. So from here now you go to your device manager. All right, then you go to keyboards, then you look for your laptop keyboard. All right, so in my case I know it's this one. You click on properties. All right, then you click on uninstall device. All right, so now if you type on your keyboard, your laptop keyboard, it will be disabled. Okay, so just a word of advice: if you want to use a new device on your PC, you will have to go back and disable that option you have enabled. Otherwise, it won't be recognized.